Hello and welcome everyone. This is project Multichain Disperse, a chain abstracted disperse app for instant multi-chain token transfers in single zap. Let's look at the features of the application. The app provides easy user onboarding with Particle Connect. The app also has app-level chain abstraction using the Klaster SDK. Users can disperse token to multiple accounts across multiple chain in a single interchain transaction. Also, you can pay gas fee on any chain. So we are leveraging Particle Connect and Klaster SDK to achieve these functionalities. Let's look at the high-level architecture of multi-chain disperse. When a user comes on the platform, he can just connect the wallet and he will be onboarded to the platform using Particle Connect SDK. Now you can select any chain to pay the gas fee. We currently support these 4 chains. Now you can create a disperse transaction where we support these tokens. Now in this interchain transactions, all transactions are bundled per chain, and the first transaction is always a gas payment transaction. Now you just sign and execute these transactions, and all transactions are settled on multiple chains simultaneously. Let's just go right into the demo now. Here I'm on the landing page of Multichain Disperse. Let me launch the application and connect my wallet to get started. I'm connected now, and this is the dashboard of Multichain Disperse. I have a universal account which is available on all 4 chains, and I can see my unified ETH balance here. I can select any chain to pay my gas fee. For instance, I'm selecting Base here to pay my gas fee using ETH. Right now, we are only using ETH to pay gas fee on all these 4 chains. Now let's see how we can create a multi-chain transaction. In this tab, we can send Ether to multiple addresses on multiple chains. And in this section, I can send tokens. And for instance, I have 2 tokens available, USDC and USDT. Once I select USDC, we have the unified balance. We can also see USDC allocation on multiple chains. Here I have some USDC on Arbitrum, and here I have some USDC on Base. Let's just try to create a multi-chain transaction where I will be transferring USDC to multiple users on 2 different chains. Here I have just added 2 receivers, and I'm sending 1 cent to this user, which is just my wallet on Arbitrum, and 1 cent to this user on Base. Let me just try to get an interchain code for this transaction. Here I have a code which says that I will be paying this much gas fee on Base for this interchain transaction. Let's just sign and execute this transaction. The transaction is sent successfully, and let's just see this transaction on Klaster Explorer now. So here is the gas fee which we paid on Base, and here are the transactions which are getting executed on Base and Arbitrum. Let's see. The transactions are successful, and you can see all these transactions on respective Explorer. So here we can see that we received the token in our respective account on Base, and in this transaction we have received 1 cent in this user wallet on Arbitrum. So this is the demo. I hope you enjoyed the demonstration. We have included all the steps of this demo in our presentation as well. Here's the landing page. Here you can see the unified ETH balance. Here is the Disperse UI, where you can send tokens and ETH to multiple users on multiple chains. You can sign and execute these transactions, and you can see the code, the fee that you'll be paying, and you can just view these transactions on the Klaster Explorer. So this is the project. I also want to talk about the next steps that we have for this project. We want to add support for any token to be used for gas payment. Right now we are using ETH on all 4 chains. We also want to add support to disperse any ERC20 token on any chain. Right now we just have USDC and USDT. We want to add support where a user can add any ERC20 token and disperse it on any chain. Also, we want to do gas fee optimization to make transfers as cheap as possible. So this is Team AlphaDevs, and we enjoyed working on this project for Chain Abstraction Hackathon. Thank you, everyone.